हेलो डी हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। सो टू डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट फर्स्ट वी विल pour some water into the bowl. Then after to having this experience, this particular experiment, we have an pencil, lead pencil, and now we will dip this pencil into the water. Now you can look here, student, the upper part of the pencil and the lower part of the pencil is not in the same line, in the same path. आप देख सकते हैं कि जब हम पेंसिल को पानी में डुबो रहे हैं, so the length of the pencil does not seems straight. So this is called the refraction of light. This is the best example of refraction of light. Now you can look here very carefully. Now this is another side of the pencil. So dear student, hope you get something from this experiment, and this process is called refraction of light. और ऐसी वीडियो के लिए do subscribe the channel. Thanks and bye.